Take a moment to check out the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cherokee delivers refined comfort, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, ample cargo capacity, and rugged all-terrain capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, premium sound system, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, remote engine start. Don't miss out on the chance to drive a rugged SUV that's designed with passenger comfort in mind. Drive the Cherokee.